a step-by-step guide to reveal hidden formatting characters and line breaks in Google Docs. Go to Google Docs in a web browser and log in. You can only see invisible characters when using Google Docs in a web browser on your computer. This won't work in the mobile app. Open an existing document or start a new one. Click the View tab. It's at the top of your document. Click Show Non-Printing Characters. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard to instantly show hidden paragraph markers, line breaks, section breaks, column breaks, tabs, and spaces. To hide these characters again, return to View and select Show Non-Printing Characters or press the keyboard shortcut again. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.